Hey there, Ben Lipper here. I have a super awesome robot I want to share with you. Go ahead and check out SuperLinq. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, that looks really cool, maybe I'm interested in building something like that, this is an awesome place to start. I actually have step-by-step instructions from VEX, totally legal. I'll send you guys those. There's a link under this video. Go ahead and just click it. I'll send you those instructions, and I'll send you the modifications I made so you can kind of see what I did. This is one of my favorite robots, though, mainly because of how simple it is. I mean, you can see this robot only has 4 motors. It can be built from a Gen 1 or Gen 2 super kit. Drives across the field. We got 7 balls over the course of a minute. Scores in both low goals. Can't do high goals. But I even had this guy at a competition recently, and he outperformed way beyond what I thought was even possible. So super awesome robot, super cool. Totally suggest if you're like at the point where you're like, I have no idea what to build, this is a fantastic place to start. It's absolutely incredible. So go ahead, click the link under this video. I'll send you all the pictures. I'll send you all the details on how this. I'll even send you step-by-step instructions so you can get started on this. It uses the standard Clawbot drive base, so it's super easy to build. Yeah, I love this robot. So if you're interested, click that link under the video. I'll send you all the details. Go ahead, get started on this robot. It's an awesome place to start this season. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.